my own version of old cucumber soup. I will throw in some dried scallops which already soaked and rinsed. Dried oysters, same thing, soaked and rinsed. And I'll put in dried squid too, and red dates de-seeded, and I put in some dangshen, it's actually cordopsis, some herbal, and astragalus, piece of dried ginger, because old cucumber is actually cooling, so you need some ginger, and it actually tastes very nice. Just one piece of ginger will do, and let it boil for a while. Next, you throw in some de-seeded old cucumber. So notice this light green color. Later when it's done, it's going to turn into a very nice dark warm green color. I'm going to put in the whole cucumber, so there's a lot. So the soup has been boiling for almost half an hour. I will put in some wolfberries. Drop in the chicken. The reason why I put the cordopsis, the dangshen, and the astragalus, because of the medicinal benefits of the Chinese herbs, because cordopsis actually boosts energy, whereas astragalus actually improves digestion. And these are herbs that doesn't really alter the taste of the soup, so you can put it in and you don't taste the herbs kind of taste, so you get the benefit and doesn't alter the taste. As you can see, the old cucumber has softened and turned darker, and the soup color is dense already, so just add a pinch of salt, which I put Himalayan salt to taste, and that's it, done.